doing about this now, di ba?
Well, di ba sabi ng COA, kailangan daw isole. Meron
yun na bang ng
confidential funds yun. Confidential funds yun. Malaki siya. Yung numbers niya, pinapa-return ng COA. So, plus 75 million before, and yun nga, if I'm not mistaken, it's around 400 million. So, more than 400 million pinapasoli sa kanya.
Nakalula yun.
COA na nagsabi niyan. COA na nagsabi na kailangan mo isole. Oo. So, may nagsasabi na pwede pa daw niyang i-appeal. Mali po yun. Hindi niya pwedeng i-appeal. Technically, hindi niya pwedeng i-appeal because that's not an appealable case, yung finding ng COA. Although, she can go to the Supreme Court under certiorari pag merong grave abuse of discretion. That's a special action sa Supreme Court. But that's not an appeal. Hindi siya pwedeng sabing appeal. So, technically speaking, final na yung finding na yon. She has to comply.
She has to comply, give back the 475 million thereabouts.
788, parang ganun. I mean, 488.
Actually, just the mere fact na nasabihan ka na nawawala ng 400, huwag mo na kwentuhan na lang, kahit 10 million na lang, nawawala, parang, di ba? Tapos, na certified na, totoo na to, kailangan balik mo.